Where words fail, pictures do the trick. And in this video, you require your sight to understand the baffling beauty and sublime grace of some of the strangest places on earth.
Please, just send me location.
You will be shocked to see some weird places in the world that are too shocking to believe. We bet you will be rushing to change your bucket list right about now. Take a look at the most bizarre destinations in the world. You'll definitely be taken by surprise. Number 10. Salar de Uyuni. One of the top weirdest places across the world is located in Bolivia, in an area named Potasi. This is the world's largest salt pan and one of the strange places in the world. When a thin film of water gathers on the surface, it then acts as a natural mirror. The best sight of this space can be observed from the central Incahuasi Island. Salar de Uyuni is the remains of a prehistoric lake that dried off and left behind void space of bright white salt, rock formations and cacti islands. This place harbors large flocks of beautiful pink flamingos that can be seen grazing in the water. The best time to visit this place is in the months of July and October. Number 9. Lake Natron. Looking for some weird places in the world? How about this terrifying lake? Animals that die in the African lake are turned into statues through calcification. The presence of huge volumes of sodium bicarbonate ensures they turn into mummies, and because of the high alkaline collection, the lake looks red in color, especially during the summer in Tanzania. This is the reason why this lake is also known as the petrifying lake. In spite of all these conditions, it is grazing ground for the lesser flamingos. Fancy a dip? Number 8. Rakotzbruck. The Rakotzbruck is another strange place and comes under the weird places in the world. Constructed in the 19th century, is famed for its unique construction accuracy, with the bridge and its reflection merging into a complete and perfect stone circle. No matter where you see it from, spooky, it is in fact one of the weirdest places across the world. This is probably why the bridge is also known as the Devil's Bridge. It seems that the makers of the bridge emphasized more on its aesthetics than its utility. Both the ends of the Rakotzbruck have thin rock spires installed to make it look like natural basalt columns, which commonly occur in many parts of Germany. Number 7. Lake Khiluk. Spotted Lake Khiluk is the most mineralized lake in the world. Another bizarre place that makes it to the weirdest places across the world. The lake is spotted with 365 separate pools arranged in a strange mosaic-like pattern. Each of these spots holds a unique and highly concentrated chemical content and is said to cure different diseases. Definitely one of the nicest, strangest places in the world. Number 6. Dead Vlei. The name Dead Vlei means dead marsh, and the place is also known as Dewy Vlei. It is a sun-blackened dead forest in a white clay pan, which is basically a dried oasis, and amazing yet counted as one of the strange places in the world. The lack of water forces the roots of the trees to come outside looking for moisture. The struggle is real. The place is surrounded by rust-orange giant sand dunes that form a contrasting backdrop. This place is also said to be surrounded by the highest sand dunes in the world. Number 5. Eternal Flame Falls. Nature's natural phenomena, the Eternal Flame Falls is one of the most craziest places in the world. However, it is a quaint waterfall located in Shell Creek Preserve, which is a section of Chestnut Ridge Park in western New York. A small item at the waterfall's base emits natural gas. Interestingly, it can be lit to produce a flame. This flame is visible all year round. It can be extinguished and must occasionally be relit. The flame is fueled by natural gases and burns bright right under a waterfall. Number 4. Tunnel of Love. A section of industrial railway in Ukraine. This green leafy tunnel seems like something out of a fairy tale. It is known for being a favorite place for couples to take morning or evening strolls. If you're planning to surprise your significant other on a romantic day, ditch the usual trip to Disneyland and book your trip to Ukraine. You'll not be disappointed by everything that Ukraine has to offer, especially if your reason to visit is to see one of the weirdest places across the world. The beauty of the Tunnel of Love will astound you. Number 3. Cano Cristales. In the summer months, this Colombian river turns red, counted as the most weirdest places in the world. The riverbed is covered by a unique species of plant, and that is what turns red. Another one of these mysterious places on Earth underwater. The river is commonly called the River of Five Colors or the Liquid Rainbow. It has been called the most beautiful water body on Earth. You can make a time lapse here of the water cascading down the rocks. Number 2. Sea of Stars. Bioluminescent sea plankton that shines bright blue during the night makes the sea area of Vadu Island look like the Sea of Stars. The Sea of Stars of Vadu Island, Maldives attracts millions of tourists every year. The tourist footfall seems to be only increasing after the sea was featured in far and few Bollywood and Hollywood films. The Maldives is listed as one of the cheapest destinations in the world, and this beach is one of the weirdest places across the world. So what's stopping you from seeing this site? And at number 1 is Huashan Mountain. What's weird about Huashan Mountain, you say? Well, look closely. On the end of this treacherous death-defying trail in China is a mere tea house. But this Mount Huashan plank walk in the sky is famed for its adrenaline-raising effects. It is known as the road to heaven. Would you walk the plank here at one of the strangest places on Earth? Let us know in the comments section below. Tag your friends and get going.